Tired of seeing prices in a currency you don't understand on Temu? I'm about to show you how to switch it up in seconds. First things first, fire up your Temu app, then look for the U tab, usually located at the bottom right corner of your screen. It might also be represented by a user icon. Tap on it. Now you're on your profile page. Find the settings icon. It looks like a gar typically in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap that settings icon to open the settings menu. Inside the settings menu, scroll down until you see an option labeled currency. Tap on currency to proceed. You'll now see a list of available currencies. Scroll through this list to find your preferred currency. Temu supports a wide variety, so you should be able to find the one you need. Once you've found your currency, simply tap on it to select it. You should see a check mark appear next to your selection, indicating it's active. And that's it. The app will automatically update, and you should now see all prices displayed in your chosen currency. Easy peasy. Now you can shop on Temu without any currency confusion. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Temu tips.